These low-maintenance plants will add life to your space without the mess of soil. Stick around for easy care tips and tricks to keep your plants healthy and vibrant. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite water-grown plants in the comments. Growing plants in water is super trendy, low cost, and perfect for small spaces. No soil means no dirt, fewer pests, and less mess. Plus, transparent containers let you watch those gorgeous roots grow right before your eyes. All you need is a glass container, some water, and a little love. Let's jump into my top 12 picks. Pothos, known as devil's ivy, this plant is a champ at growing in water. Just snip a stem cutting below a node, pop it in a jar of water, and watch those roots sprout in a week or two. Change the water every 1 to 2 weeks, and keep it in bright, indirect light. Next is lucky bamboo. This plant is a symbol of good fortune and is believed to bring good luck, wealth, fortune, and positive energy when properly positioned inside the home. The number of stalks on the plant has different meanings. For example, 3 stalks represent happiness, wealth, and longevity, while 5 stalks attract wealth and prosperity. It thrives in water with some pebbles for support. Keep the water level just above the roots and change it every couple of weeks. Spider plants are propagation superstars. Those little plantlets, or spinnerets, can be placed directly in water to grow roots before moving to a permanent water setup. They love bright, indirect light and fresh water every week. Their arching leaves add a fun, playful touch to any space. English ivy is a classic choice for water growing. Its cuttings root quickly in water and add elegance to any corner, perfect for a trailing effect. Snip a stem, place it in water, and it'll root quickly. This plant loves bright light but can handle lower light too. Just keep the water fresh and trim any yellowing leaves. Peace lily is a symbol of harmony, purity, and prosperity. It brings physical and mental balance. Its white flowers are said to attract positive vibrations. You can grow a peace lily in water, remove it from soil, rinse the roots, and place it in a vase with water covering the roots. Change the water weekly and keep it in low to medium light. Peace lily prefer moist soil. Keep them away from direct sunlight. Those glossy leaves and white blooms will elevate any room. Philodendrons, especially the hardleaf variety, are water-growing rock stars. Cut a stem with a few leaves, place it in water, and roots will form in no time. They thrive in indirect light and need water changes every 1 to 2 weeks. Wandering Jew, also called a silver-inch plant, has striking purple and green leaves. The plant looks amazing in water. They root quite easily in water, making them a top pick for water propagation and water-grown houseplants. Snip a stem, place it in a jar, and keep it in bright, indirect light. Change the water weekly, and you'll have a vibrant, trailing plant in no time that will flourish for years to come. Chinese evergreen is a stunning option with its variegated leaves. It is a popular feng shui indoor plant that is known to bring good luck and prosperity. This plant adds a pop of color and is super forgiving for beginners. Take a stem cutting, place it in water, and keep it in low to medium light. Change the water every week to keep it fresh. Anthuriums, also called as flamingo flowers, bring bold color and a tropical vibe. They are stunning indoor plants known for their vibrant, heart-shaped blooms and glossy leaves. Certain varieties can be propagated and grown in water, adding a tropical flair to your hydroponic collection. Snake plants, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, are hardy indoor plants with long, upright leaves. While typically grown in soil, their cuttings can root and thrive in water with proper care. My snake plant is thriving in water for the last 3 years, producing several new leaves. The snake plant is believed to absorb negative energy from its surroundings. The plant improves air quality and refreshes the spiritual atmosphere of a home. Coleus plants are known for their stunning, vivid foliage patterns and colors. They can be propagated and grown in water, adding a burst of color due to vibrant colors to your indoor space. Take stem cuttings and place them in water, covering the nodes. Refresh water every 7 to 10 days and clean the container. Position in bright and direct light to enhance leaf color. Pinch back tips to promote bushier growth. Monstera, often called the Swiss cheese plant, is a trendy indoor tropical plant with iconic split leaves. Its cuttings can thrive in water, making it a great addition to hydroponic setups. It easily grows in water. Just place a stem cutting with a node in a water-filled container. Keep in bright and direct light to encourage growth. Change water every 1 to 2 weeks and add liquid fertilizer monthly. How to care for water-grown plants. Caring for these plants is easy. Start with a clean glass container. Experiment with different containers to match your decor. For extra flair, add pebbles or glass beads for stability and style. Your tap water may contain chemicals. Use bottled, filtered or rainwater to avoid chemicals. You can boil the water and use when it cools down. Change the water every 1 to 2 weeks to keep it fresh. Place your plants in indirect light. Trim any dead leaves to encourage growth. Add a drop of liquid fertilizer every month for nutrients. Check roots for rot and trim if needed. By incorporating these water-loving plants into your home, you can create a green environment without ever touching soil. Try it out, and let me know in the comments which one are you trying first. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that bell for more plant tips. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos.